You won't believe how Marvel uses 3D tech. Alright, let's get right into some insane Marvel movie magic. Ever wondered how Iron Man's suit looks so real? Or how the Avengers battle giant aliens without wrecking New York for real? The secret sauce? Next level 3D tech. First up, motion capture. Actors like Mark Ruffalo, who plays the Hulk, wear these wild suits covered in tiny sensors. Every move, every facial twitch gets recorded and turned into a digital Hulk, smashing stuff with crazy detail. Imagine acting like a giant green monster while covered in ping pong balls. Now let's talk about environments. No, they're not always on location. Most cityscapes, alien planets, even the inside of the quantum realm, all built using 3D modeling and virtual cameras. Artists sculpt entire worlds on computers, and directors can walk through them before a single frame is filmed. It's like Minecraft for grown-ups, but with way more explosions. Oh, and those epic fight scenes? They blend real stunts with digital doubles. Sometimes Spider-Man isn't Tom Holland at all. It's a fully animated 3D version flipping around skyscrapers. They even use digital cloth, so Spidey's suit ripples just right in slow-mo. And here's a quick mind-blower. In Avengers Endgame, over 2,900 visual effects shots were stitched together using 3D tech from dozens of studios worldwide. That's basically every epic moment you remember, made possible by pixels and nerd power. So next time you watch a Marvel movie, keep an eye out for those crazy 3D effects. They're in almost every scene, making the impossible look totally real. If you want more quick Marvel facts, hit that like button. See you in the next one. All of it comes together shot by shot. Motion capture, 3D environments, digital doubles, cloth sims, and global studio muscle. That's the 3D magic behind the screens.